Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how I transfer small, fairly detailed images onto metal. It's a variation of a traditional technique of using Chinese white, which is kind of an opaque watercolor, to coat the metal and then draw on it. I don't have any Chinese white, so I make do with what I have. The first thing you want to do is trace your image onto a piece of tracing paper with a pencil. All of these designs are going to be made into charms, but in this video I'm going to just focus on the anvil. Instead of Chinese white, I'm using white acrylic gesso. Use your finger or a brush to wipe a thin wash of the white gesso onto your metal and then let it dry completely. Flip the paper over and then place it on the metal where you want your design to be located. Use a soft burnisher of some sort. I'm using the cap of a permanent marker. And then just rub back and forth over in a bunch of different directions. What you're wanting to do is transfer the graphite from the drawing onto the gesso. You can see it transferred pretty well. Then take a scribe and trace over the graphite line. You want to just make a slight scratch into the metal below the gesso. After you've scratched through the design, you want to remove the gesso. And luckily, gesso and any kind of acrylic paint doesn't bond very well with metal, so all you need is a wet cloth. I just used a wet paper towel. And then I'm just wiping the surface, kind of scrubbing, putting a little bit of effort into it. But the acrylic paint, the gesso, just peels right up. Once the gesso is removed, you can see the scribed lines of your design. You may need to adjust the lighting to be able to see it clearly. Keep this in mind when you pierce your design. Adjust the light as needed until the scribed line shows up as a bright highlighted line. Next, drill a hole inside your shape. Pierce your design following the scribed line, and you're good to go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching.